Okay, hello, this is lesson 6.6. This is just adding three digits. You can add three digits same way you can add two digits. You can make a drawing, you can do partial sums, or you can stick with the traditional algorithm. What you may find, and what I'm going to do, is I'm going to stick with the traditional algorithm because those drawings and those partial sums, it almost becomes a little bit confusing because there's so much work. Whereas the algorithm, you're really not adding a lot of work. It's just extending the step a tad. So check out, I'm going to do number 2, and then I'll do a couple on the other side, and then you'll do the rest on your own. So this is pretty much review, nothing new. The Nature Club plants some pine and birch trees. They plant 496 birch trees. Then they plant 283 pine trees. How many trees does the club plant in all? Again, this is going to be just a traditional 2 parts, one part being 496, 283 is the other part. Not comparing at all, so you're looking for the total, and we're going to add those together. 496, 283, 6 and 3 is 9. 9 and 8, and again, if it goes beyond 10 like this does, I know I'm going to be making a new 10, and in this case a new 100 actually. So 9 tens plus 8 tens is going to be a total of, if I put 1 up here, that'd be 10, that would be 7 here, so the answer would be 17. 17 is that new 10, and then 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 2 is 7, so my answer would be 779. If we were in class, I would probably suggest that you do the other side first and then come back and do the story problems. Again, up here, they're showing you, they put their new 10s here. I don't like that. I like just putting them above, like old school algorithm way. And then when you take a peek at the drawing, you might get what I'm saying about how, it would take a lot of time to do all this, and then with each individual drawing I'm making, it's kind of a chance to miscount and make a mistake. So I don't like drawings when we get higher numbers. I like just traditional algorithm. Starting with ones always, put the ones together. 5 and 2 is 7. Go to my tens. 7 and 8 is 15. And with the algorithm, we explained it in class, the algorithm is an extra step in your mind, because you have to say, all right, 7 and 8 is 15, and then you have to break apart in your brain that 15 is a 10 and 5 ones. And then 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. One more together, number 6. 8 and 6. Again, if it goes beyond 10 like this does, you have to take a pause, put the 8 and 6 together in your brain, which is, well, how do I do that? Well, I know 6 and 6 is 12. I'd add 2 more, so it gets me to 14. And now I'm breaking apart that 14 to 4 ones and 1 10. And then 1 and 4 is 5. 5 and 3 is 8. 1 and 2 is 3. My answer is 384. Go ahead and do this last one, so you can just do 6 on your own. 4 and 1 is 5. No new 10. 4 and 1 is 5. 8 and 6. Just did that one. 8 and 6. Well, 6 and let me think about this another way. If I take 2 from my 6, put a date, that'd be 10. 10 and 4 is still 14. Again, I have to think about breaking apart that 14 into 4 ones and 1 new 10. 1 plus 5 is 6. And just to keep it simple, I'm not talking about how this is actually 14 tens and you're making a new 100, but even though that's in fact what you are doing. So go ahead and do this sheet, come back, check, see how you did. Here are the answers. 545 fossils for number 1, 1,000 ducks for number 3. For number 4, 564 children. Again, these are all part total problems, putting the parts together. For these, you would just do a traditional algorithm, would look like this. 14, 1 and 8 is 9, plus 7 would be 16. 1 and 1 is 2, plus 3 would be 5. So you get 564. Right here, just to see, I want you to see the work if you made a mistake. 8 and 2 is 10. 1 and 8 would be another 10. 1 and 1 is 2, plus 8 would be 10. Then over here, same thing, 478 plus 67. 5 1s, 110, 1 and 7 be 8 plus 6, 14, 1 and 4 would be 5 to get that 545. On this side, again, you can pause and check on your own, or you can go along with me, but we have 842, 465, 720, 756, 687, 587, and if you get these wrong, look and see if it's the tens that you didn't carry or regroup correctly, or if it was an error in the fact. So that's it for today for math.